was too daddy, which means actually it was just too high up. It was like really high up. The second one was too soft. The third one's just right. She sits down in chair number 3. What happened? It broke, so can we go? Bang! Bang! Yes. She had broken the chair. It was exhausting after all that porridge and now breaking a chair. She decided to have a look and see if there was somewhere she could have a little look upstairs. So she went up the stairs. Are you going up the stairs, everyone? Up your stairs? Up your stairs? And upstairs, she sees how many beds? 3. Pick up your tambourines. All mummy beds. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Beds in a row. The first one's too hard. Oh. The second one's too soft. The third one's just right. She lay down on the floor. Oh, not on the floor. You lay down on the floor. She lay down in the bed, in Baby Bear's bed. Lie down. That's it. She lay down in Baby Bear's bed and went fast to sleep. Sleep, sleep, my baby. Close your eyes and maybe you'll dream about a sleepy mouse. Don't wake till morning. I love you, baby. Here comes the dream man with lullabies. Goldilocks had gone fast asleep in Baby Bear's bed. Later on, can you come back and be Goldilocks for me? Could you? Okay, go and sit down for a minute. Thank you for Baby Bear. Oh, thank you. Okay. Oh, Daddy, it's a change of Daddy Bear. That's okay. So, Goldilocks is now fast asleep in Baby Bear's bed. Then who comes back from their nice walk? The bears come back. And I could do with I need a bigger person for this. You're a bigger person, yes. Come and be a bigger person for me. You are going to be Daddy Bear. And to be Daddy Bear, you will have this one. Have you done much training on the recorder? Good. Okay, that's lovely. So you will be Daddy Bear. Then I need a Mummy Bear. Oh, yeah, here she comes. Oh, there we are. We need a Mummy Bear. And I do believe someone already has a baby bear. Would you like to bring the baby bear up with you? Wait, bring it with you. Bring it with you. I spotted it earlier. Yeah. There we go. Okay. So, this is what Daddy Bear sounds like. Can you blow into that for me? Wait for it. This is what Mummy Bear sounds like. And this is what Baby Bear sounds like. Excellent. Now, could you do... Right, I'll hold that for you. And can you blow in there, who's been eating my porridge? Just blow. He doesn't sound happy, Daddy Bear, does he? He's gone, like that. And then Mummy Bear said, can I get my fingers on there? She went, who's been eating my porridge? And Baby Bear went, who's been eating my porridge and eating it all up? They went for a little look in the other room. Daddy Bear said, who's been sitting in my chair? Mummy Bear said, who's been sitting in my chair? And Baby Bear went, he could hardly speak, Baby Bear, because, well, his chair was all broken on the floor. Yeah, I know. Look, can you hear him whimpering, Baby Bear? He's yeah. So, all right, Baby Bear, calm down. We'll get you another chair. Okay, that's fine. That's good, Baby Bear. Okay, they went upstairs. Daddy Bear saw someone who had been lying on his bed, and he said, who's been sleeping in my bed? Mummy Bear went, oh, you've got your fingers over that bit. Who's been sleeping in my bed? And all this time, poor Baby Bear was saying, excuse me, there's someone asleep in my bed. And when they looked, who was asleep? Who was asleep in Baby Bear's bed? Goldilocks was asleep. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You can go and sit down now. You can take yours with you because it's yours. There we go. And glamorous assistant. Just for a minute, you can demonstrate. Be Goldilocks asleep. She loves it, really. Right. Goldilocks is asleep. Now, how do you think the bears... She's looking at me with pure love. How do you think the bears tried to wake up Goldilocks? With a rah! Should we try it? Okay, well, we'll see if it happens. Okay. Go for it. Rah! Nope, she didn't wake up. No, that doesn't work. So they try something else. What else might they try? They might try shaking her. Right. They're going to try shaking her. It's all right, I've got another one. So the bears go like that. No, that's not woken her up. Yes. Tickling her. Okay, they try tickling her. Yeah, sorry, that was a bit loud with the mic. Sorry. And so they try tickling her. Well, they might try blowing something near her to see if it made a noise and to wake her up. But actually, do you know what they did? They did something very strange. They made the sound like it was raining. I know, it's pitter-patter, pitter-patter. Yes, that's the sound they made. Pitter-patter, pitter-patter. Could you do that for me? Pitter-patter, 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 pitter-patter. And she woke up. Up here. She woke up. Pitter-patter, 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 pitter-patter. And, but it was more effective than that. Thank you, glamorous assistant. You're going to need one of these. It's okay. We've got those ones there, and you can take them out to them. Take them out to them. That's it. Glamorous assistant, could we have one here as well? That's it. You don't need to come all... we are coming up, yeah. Right. Okay, there we are. Anyone else need one of these? Yes, you need one of these. That's it. Okay. So they make the pitter-patter, pitter-patter. Where's my Goldilocks that I had before? I said, would you like to come and be Goldilocks? Come and be Goldilocks for me. Now we've got past the tickling bit and everything. So, Goldilocks was asleep. Come on, Goldilocks, up you come. Up you come. Up you come. That's it. So, Goldilocks was asleep. Go to sleep for me. Lie down there for me and go to sleep. That's it. Goldilocks was fast asleep. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. No? Okay. Goldilocks is asleep, imagine. And suddenly the bears make lots of sound like the rain. And Goldilocks wakes up. She wakes up. And she asks, what did you ask? "Where's Scarlet?" is what she asked. And because Goldilocks was very confused. She thought she was at Scarlet's house. Turned out it wasn't Scarlet's house. Scarlet's house is the other side of the wood. So, yes. So she's there with the bears, and she said, "Oh, I'm so sorry, I should go." And they say, no, you must have breakfast with us. And she goes, "Oh, actually, that's a bit of a problem, because I ate a bowl of breakfast. But it's all right, because they're going to have bananas and milk instead." Now, something you should know, most of the songs that I'm singing this morning were written by the children I work with. Okay, so that's my disclaimer with the lyrics of this song. Okay. So, shaky shakers. Shaky shakers. Na-na, 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 milk. Na-na, 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 milk. Banana, banana, they're yummy and scrummy. Banana, banana, put them in your tummy. Banana, banana, with your yellow skin. Banana, banana, you really make me grin. Nana, come on, shake. Can I hear some nanas? Nana, 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 nana. I realise it should be banana, but banana is too much. And milk, go. Nana, 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 milk. Milk, milk, suck it up a straw. Milk, milk, can I have some more? Milk, milk, it is good for you. Milk, milk, can I have some too? Nana, nana, oh, we've got dancing here as well. Come on, dance you, Nana. Come on, come on. Nana, 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 lovely madam. Nana, 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 milk. Nana, 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 shake it, shake it. Nana, 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 milk. Where does milk come from? Where do bananas come from? Bananas come from horses. Nana, 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 nana. I told you I didn't write the words. Nana, 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 nana. Someone will put the child straight one day. Nana, 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 milk. Oh, it's quite a big breakfast they have. Nana, 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 milk. Let me hear you sucking up a straw. Lovely. And then they'd finished with their breakfast. Excellent. And if you'd like to take that round that way, thank you, glamorous assistant. It's okay, she's coming round. That's it. Lovely. Oh, that's it. Let's help you down. Oh, yeah. There it is. There it is. Lovely. So, they had breakfast, and then Goldilocks said, "Well, thank you very much. I'm so sorry because obviously I did think it was Scarlet's house." And so she went to leave, and they went, "No, you can't go." And she was like, "Sorry? What do you mean I can't go?" She said, "If you go down to the woods today, you'd better go in disguise. If you go down to the woods today, you're sure of a big surprise. Now, it turned out that it was the annual get-together of all the teddy bears. It was the day the teddy bears had their shared lunch. Yes. Okay, so they were going to be all getting together, and Goldilocks wouldn't be safe because not all bears like little girls. So they had to show her how to be a bear. Let me see you being a bear. Let me see you being a bear. Do you look like a bear? Well, first of all, you have to stare like a bear. You have to have fur, not hair. You need to be able to give a bear hug. Give a bear hug. Oh, oh. And can you do a bear growl? Okay, that was a bit scary. Okay, and you've got to have an aubergine nose. Where's your nose? Aubergine nose. And soft round ears. Look, can you see his soft round ears there? Yeah? And you've got to drink some honey. And then go, cheers. Cheers. And that's how you look like a bear. How'd you look like a bear? How'd you look like a bear? Learn to stare, have fur, not hair. That's how you look like a bear. Can you hear some bear hugs? Can you go, ah? How'd you look like a bear? How'd you look like a bear? A bear hug, ah. Learn to stare, have fur, not hair. That's how you look like a bear. I need the growls next time, and then a hug, and then we'll have the stare. How'd you look like a bear? How'd you look like a bear? A bear growl. A bear hug. Oh. Learn to stare, have fur, not hair. That's how you look like a bear. And we're going to we need our nose and our ears this time. Nose, so aubergine, where's your nose? Where's your nose? That's it, well done. How'd you look like a bear? How'd you look like a bear? An aubergine nose. And soft round ears. A bear growl. A bear hug. Ah. Learn to stare, have fur, not hair. That's how you look like a bear. And we're going to drink some honey. Are you ready? Cheers. How'd you look like a bear? How'd you look like a bear? Drink some honey. Cheers. Aubergine nose. And soft round ears. A bear growl. A bear hug. Ah. Learn to stare, have fur, not hair. That's how you look like a bear. And with all that, she was looking much more like a bear. And have you all got a bear that you can use? You've got a bear? Have Daddy Bear. There we go. Have Baby Bear. And anyone else need a bear? Need a bear over here? Have Mummy Bear. And Glamorous Assistant will give out some more bears. My bear looks a little bit like a dinosaur, but we won't worry about that. Okay, so make sure you've got a bear. Oh, you want the dinosaur, do you? Okay. Glamorous Assistant, I need another one because mine's gone. Okay. Have you all got a bear? Oh, you didn't want that one. Okay. Rejected. Poor Daddy Bear has been rejected. Do you want Daddy Bear here? This one? Yes. And could you do something for me? Could you balance it on your head? On your head. This is what you do with a bear. Yeah. You're jealous, aren't you? You haven't got one. It's all right. I'm just looking at you. I'm not actually asking you to do anything. Like that. On my head. On my toes. On my on my toes, on my knee, on my nose, on my head, ooh, on my toes, on my knee, and up he goes, whee! Oh, very good. And I'm ready again, we're going to go on my head, ooh, on my toes, on my knee, on my nose, on my head, ooh, on my toes, on my knee, and up he goes. Whee! On that one? Okay. And now, can you do it faster? Are you ready? We're going to go on my head and on my toes, on my knee and on my nose, on my head and on my toes, on my knee, and up he goes. Whee! Oh my goodness, let's see how fast we can do it. Really fast, you ready? On my head and on my toes, on my knee and on my nose, on my head and on my toes, on my knee, and up he goes. Whee! Excellent. Okay, and now they were all ready to go to the picnic. And for the picnic, Daddy Bear wanted his favourite food. Daddy Bear likes them so much he drops sticks in excitement. Daddy Bear likes olives. Yes. And what's going to happen is that's Daddy Bear's drum, and that's Mummy Bear's drum, and, well, that's everyone else's drum in the drum case. There we go. And there's some sticks as well on the side in here. So you're going to all need a drum. Okay. And if you come down here, and Greta will bring some sticks as well. Out, there's a drum. There we go. Excellent. Very good. And Daddy was ready to, very much ready to sing all about Daddy Bear's absolute favourite food. Daddy Bear's favourite food was olives. Yes, please. Green olives, black olives. I love all olives. Olive, 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 olive. Oh, one. Can we have it a bit louder because the backing, the desk. Let's have a nice 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Olive, 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 olive. Excellent. Can we do that one again? Because there's not enough singing happening out there. Are you ready? We start with green olives and we go. Green olives, black olives. I love all olives. Olive, 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 olive. One last time. Green olives, black Now, whilst you are all ready with your drums, do you think it is time for the teddy bears to have their picnic? Yes. I think we can move straight on. We'll have a bit more playing. There we are. That one's your drum. Do you want this one? The one on that? Okay. Are you ready for the teddy bears? And get ready with your drums. Is it not coming on? Is it not coming on? If you've got a drum, don't worry, you can always clap. If you go down to the woods today, you better go in disguise. If you go down to the woods today, you're sure of a big surprise. For every bird that ever there was will gather there together, because today's the day the teddy bears have their picnic. That's it. Nice. Joined the three bears, and 300, as you can see, of the three bears' friends. And that is the story of Goldilocks and the 303 bears. Thank you very much.